Hello. I'm just standing here watching my chickens. I was trying to do the chicken pumpkin carving and put a chicken in or a pumpkin in there, and they have not paid it any attention. I don't know if it's just because they got a lot of other treats in the last couple days. They got some peaches, some apples, a banana, cucumbers, half a squash, because I was just trying to clean out some room in the fridge, and their corn that I got hanging there. They don't want to pick it off the cob, but if I break a couple pieces, they'll pick it up. But I'm gonna see what they'll do to my pumpkin, but they haven't really touched it yet. I came home from work today to find my tarp is all ripped up. And I don't know, I guess the tarps that come with the kit are just not going to last that long, so it's going to need to be replaced before winter really sets in. But it is kind of windy today. But I caught one of the, which one is it? I caught that one, the lighter gray one, in the hut, laying an egg. These eggs are so pretty. You can't really tell on the screen, but they're pink. They're tiny. There was one in there, and then she was in there laying, so I had to come back out and get it. And then the other day we got 3, and then the day before we found 2, because we let them out here. So we found 2 in the nesting box and 2 out here in the grass, so they're finally starting to lay. Which is exciting, because it feels like it's taken forever. Well, I just thought I'd share. I'm gonna take pictures of my pumpkin every day and see how it turns out. I'll add a photo montage or something. But thanks for watching. These ladies definitely prefer the apples. Got them the last of the squash, last of the cucumbers, and some apples, and they all picked out the apples. So, as far as my pumpkin goes, it's been out here about 2 weeks, and they haven't touched it. Now, I did smash another pumpkin out here after about a week just to see if they were gonna, they just didn't like pumpkin, and they have pretty much ate. Can I have this? They ate most of the flesh out of it. So it's not that they don't like pumpkin. I think it was just they get a lot of scraps, and it's easier to eat the scraps than it is to carve a pumpkin. I think that's what their deal is. That one's the rooster. Let me zoom out. Oh, that's in. Yep. Got an apple, got an apple, got an apple. She's got a piece of apple. They definitely prefer the apples over the other stuff. What are you doing? Okay, well, I guess we're mating over here. Doesn't care one bit that I'm right here. Although, I'm not going to show you, but he's not even close to making contact. And we're done. That was a quick piggyback ride. I'm gonna see if I carve this pumpkin open. Sorry for your face, Mr. Pumpkin. I love these knives, they're so sharp. All right. I'm gonna see if I pull his face off, if they'll still eat him. Poor sad pumpkin. Oop. My husband threw some logs in there for them to pick at, to get bugs out of, because they had bugs in it. And I think they've pretty much picked them off and kicked them around. And let's see, did he check today? Oh, I got 1 egg. 2 eggs. They have been laying really good. I've been getting 4 to 5 eggs a day, and these eggs are so cute. They were really tiny at first, about 3/4 of this size, but they're starting to get bigger. They're almost to the size you get at the grocery store. Now I'm gonna do a faux pas and put an egg in my pocket. But and they went right to laying in the nesting box. So they're pretty happy chickens. They didn't get to go outside and run today because it's been raining all day, but he threw a bunch of logs over here too. Here's Miss Daisy. Say hi, Miss Daisy. Hi, Miss Daisy. She loves to watch her chickens. Okay, well, that's it for my Halloween. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, my tarp ripped. I'm wondering if Miss Kitty had something to do with it. She just likes to be up high. Midnight. Hi, Midnight. What are you doing? I'm wondering if she didn't poke a hole or two in it and then the wind took it. She doesn't climb on the open side, just the side with the tarp. Hey, you stop that. Okay, well that's my update. Thanks for watching.